Okay, I'm just going to do a quick little video here showing up what the final product will look like on the open source CNC. There are a few changes. These 45-degree cuts will get removed just to make your lives easier when you build one. The center hole also gets removed. The 5mm inset here I'm removing because I found it too difficult to use a hand router to do properly. So each side of this plate will, this part will get 5mm taken off, and then it just gets butted together. On the rear side, these two linear rails get removed, and as currently I'm going to keep all four of these in place on the Z, but if I find that it binds too much, I can just remove the two rods and it won't be a big deal. That's really about it. Just want to show, I was asked to show what the final assembly looked like, so that's what it looks like. It also, I designed it for the Sonder machine work. What is this thing, like the, I think it's a 12 by 6 pallet maybe. I can't remember. Hold on. There you go. Yeah, 12 by 8 quarter-inch spaced pallet. That's what I designed this for, and that way you can use their two-piece vise and just general work holding. I found these work really good on my old open builds mill, and I'm going to continue using it on CNCs just for work holding purposes. But yep, this is pretty much the product, and if you have any questions, just leave a comment, and